Hello guys, welcome to another video, and in this one I'm going to be showing you how you can change your skin on TLauncher. Now, I'm currently here on TLauncher, and if you're watching this video, I'm pretty sure you know that TLauncher is a alternative Minecraft launcher, which is not the official. It's kind of like cracked. However, it is a way for you to access the game and access multiple updates and the latest updates as well, without having to pay it for anything. And one of the features of TLauncher is you can also have your own skin that's dedicated and exclusive to your account. So how do we do that? That's basically why I'm currently here on the TLauncher website. So what I'm going to do is to log in. So I'm just click on authorization, which is this one. This is login. So I'm just gonna log into my account. If I still remember it. Okay, let me try it again. Let me try and log in into my account because I haven't played Minecraft in such a while. So here we are. This is my account. This is my skin over here. I have either classic or slim. That's my option. So what you need to do is to just click on upload skin over here and choose the skin that you want. So just to add something, I'm gonna be going over to my index so that I can find the skin that I want. Sorry, skin dex, not the Western Australian government. So you just need to choose the skin that you want to use. Sorry, it seems like Skindex is quite unreliable right now. So I'm just gonna go and use this one from minecraftskins.net. Click on download, and it should download the PNG file. A skin file should look like this. It's quite a mess, but it's really just like that. So now you have to go and click on upload skin and click on the file that you have downloaded, and it has successfully updated my skin. Now it looks like that. And it's that simple. I hope this video helped you, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.